Hello students, today we are going to discuss general principles and isolation of elements. So this topic which is always called as metallurgy, right? Now the question number 46. So here mat contains mainly, okay. So your option they given Cu2S, okay, in your answer key, but that one is not right answer. The exact answer is Cu2S and FES is the right answer. Please try to so please check your options, okay. So in answer key they will give you answer 1. So the answer is not 1, the answer is 4, okay. So answer 4, which is Cu2S and FES, okay. Now the question number 47. So which of the following can produce at higher temperature, okay. So here we can use so there are different methods. So electric furnace, reverberatory furnace, blast furnace and muffle furnace, okay. So in the case of electric furnace only you will get the elements or metals, so which can you can react with very high temperature, okay. So here the direct answer is electric furnace, okay. So the 47, question number 47, the answer is 1, which is called as electric furnace. Now the question number 48. So Thomas slag, we already discussed in ACE block elements. What is Thomas slag? Okay, it's a calcium salt, okay. So the answer is calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 twice, okay. So this one is called as calcium slag. So Thomas slag. Now the question number 49. So the region which mainly metals are found in earth, okay. So we have different layers, right. So for example, the layers which are present inside, okay. So here the layer which are the main metals which are where we found so below the earth, okay. So which is called as siderophore, okay. So this one is called as siderophore. Now the question number 50, which is so what is the which of the following which is called as ferrous alloy, okay. So for a type of metal is not alloy, okay. And here it is manganesium and solder, okay. Solder is alloy, but it is not contains, but it will not contain iron, okay. So here Invar, what is Invar? And so what are the compositions which are present in Invar, okay. So here so there are the composition in the presence of Invar. So 64% of iron, okay. The remaining and 36%, right. So 36% of nickel, okay. So these are the metals which are present in Invar, okay. Now the question number 51. So here the chief impurity of red bauxite, okay. So bauxite is a chief ore of aluminum, right. So here the impurity, the aluminum which is bound with iron, okay. So here we can say that K2SO4 is not an impurity, and SiO2 NaF is not always considered as impurity. So we try to reject these options of 1 and 4, okay. And so here the red bauxite which has the chief impurity is Fe2O3 is the right answer. Now so here the question number 51. So the answer is 3, which is called as Fe2O3. Now the question number 52. Yes, the same question. So here we discussed the chief ore which is present in red bauxite. The question is 52. The chemical reduction is not suitable for converting, okay. So the reduction method, for example, so zinc oxide reacts with carbon. Zinc oxide reacts with carbon monoxide. So this one is easily reduction method because of this one which acts as this particular carbon monoxide which can act as best reducing agent, right. So that one converts into this zinc can be reduced into zinc, so metallic nature, and converts into carbon dioxide. Now, so in the case bauxite which is the Al2O3 component, okay, so that one which is the metal which cannot be used in reduction reaction. So this reaction can be converted into the complexes, then only can be extracted into the metal, okay, metal as aluminum, okay. So this particular bauxite into aluminum, so is not a suitable method for this reduction method, okay. Now, so here the option is bauxite into aluminum. Now, the question number 53. In the metallurgy, zinc flux is not used as, okay. So zinc is a volatile. So here zinc flux is not used because of. So zinc is a volatile and it can be easily separated, okay. So the answer is 1. So this is the direct question. Now the question number. So which one we need to clear about these concepts, okay. So then only we can able to answer this type of questions, okay. So these questions are direct questions. Now the question number 54. Yep, the process used for the concentration of ore, okay. So the first, so what is electrolysis method, okay, and what is basimerization and roasting, okay. So roasting means which sulfide ores converted into oxide in the case of oxide ores, okay. So here so the electrolysis method which are used in the last process only we are using, right. Now, so here the process used in the concentration of ore, so the simply you can say this froth flotation, right. So first so we need to convert into sulfide ores. So where you can get the sulfide ores, first you need to take froth flotation, right. So the method we can use the option is for froth flotation. Now the question number 55. So the formula for hematite, okay. So hematite is a ore of iron. The formula is Fe2O3, okay. It's called it's a hematite. Now the question number 56. So zone refining is a method to obtain, okay. So zone refining, so like metals like titanium, zirconium, so this type of metals can be extracted. So here the ultra pure aluminum, so aluminum is not extracted by zone refining method. So here the option is it's not oxides, so they are very high temperature, and here we can prepare the ultra pure metals from this zone refining method, okay. So the answer is 4. So here we can say this ultra pure metals like titanium and zirconium, okay. Now the question 57. Flux added into the extraction of iron, yes. Now see this one. The question number 57. So flux added into the extraction of iron, okay. So what is flux? So here is calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide, okay. Calcium oxide reacts with silicon dioxide, that one converts into CaSiO3. So here this calcium oxide is called as flux, and this SiO2 is impurity. Flux and impurity you will get slag, right. So here so the answer is limestone, calcium oxide, which is called as limestone. Now the question number 58, statement based question. Now see this statement. Zinc is used while copper is not used, the recovery of silver in the complex, okay. Now yes, zinc can be used, so copper cannot be reduced, right. So here so now the statement 2, zinc is powerful reducing agent than copper. Yes, zinc has positive electrode potential value, so it cannot be reduced. This copper can access only oxidized. Okay, so here the statements which are the both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1 is the right answer. Now the question 59. So the question number 58, the answer is 1. The question number 59. So what is galena? So galena is C4 of lead. Okay. So lead, it's a sulfide ore, right? So the compound is PbS. Now the question number 60. So what is the following ore of silver? So the name itself is there. So it's a argentate. Okay. So argentate. So the option which is directly present in your directly given to the name, which is called as argentate. Now the question number 61. Zone refining technique used the primarily for, okay. So the primarily for which is used in the zone refining method to extract metalloids like silicon, germanium, titanium. Okay. So here similarly used in the which of the following process. Okay. So here the process which is called as purification. For example, titanium reacts with iodine, it forms TiI4. Okay, so this titanium is impure. It reacts with iodine, it forms a TiI4, which is least stable. So that will convert into titanium. So this one is impure compound. So here this titanium is pure compound. Okay, so like this, so this type of zone refining which is used. So here it is impure metal. So after the reaction, which is this titanium is pure. Now, so the question number 62. So here the question number 62, which is, so which process of the reduction of mineral to the metal is suitable for the extraction of copper from its low copper extent? Okay. So here this copper can access auto reduce. Okay, it can be reduced very easily. So here the answer is at low copper constant it is auto reduction. Question number 63. So lead and tin are extracted from the chief ore by. So here this lead sulfide reacts with lead oxide. Okay, so that one converts into lead plus it evolves sulfur dioxide. So 2 moles of lead. So it gives 3 moles of lead as precipitate. Now the question lead sulfate reacts with PbS. Okay, again that will convert into lead plus SO2. Okay, so there are 2 moles of sulfur, so 4 oxygens it was reduced. So these oxides and these sulfates which can be reduced into lead. Okay, so here which is called as self reduction and carbon reduction. Okay, so the answer is self reduction of this lead and carbon reduction. Now the question number 64. The impurity of the metal is greater affinity, more easily oxidized metal. The purification of metal is carried out by. Now the refining of this alloyed metal, which is treated in high temperature. Okay, like copper, gold, okay, silver, then zinc, lead. So these type of metals. Okay. So these type of metals can be refined by using cupellation method, okay, which we already seen. So cupellation. Now the question number 65. So Cinnabar. So Cinnabar is an ore of. So yes, we already know this one. So it's a ore of HgS. It's called as mercuric sulfide. Okay. So Cinnabar is a ore of HgS. Now, so let us discuss the question number 66. Now see this one. Here, the method of the conservation of ore, so makes the difference between the density between the impurities are called as so it's a direct question which is called as Levy equation. Now the question number 67. So which of the following metals is extracted by thermal reduction? So thermally reduced by this aluminum can be reduced by adding acids, and it forms a complex. So copper and magnesium ores cannot be reduced by thermal reduction method. So here the answer is iron. Now the question number 68. So which of the following is not a mineral? Okay. So here, see this one, smithsonite. Okay, smithsonite is the answer because of this magnetite is a ore of Fe3O4. Now, so it's a mineral of iron. Now, siderite, SIDE, siderite is an example of Fe2O3 dot 3H2O. Now, this limonite, I think, sorry. So this one is limonite. Now, this siderite is this siderite is Fe. So FeCO3. So the answer is smithsonite. Okay, it's not a ore, it's not a mineral of iron. Now the question number 69. So the here we already discussed this question for zinc, from this zinc oxide, the reducing agent. So this zinc oxide reacts with carbon monoxide, gives zinc plus it evolves carbon dioxide. Okay, for the zinc, for the zinc oxide, this carbon monoxide is the best reducing agent. Okay, so we already seen in the case of this method, which is a Ellingham diagram. Okay, which is the best reducing agents. Now, so zinc is this carbon monoxide is the answer. Now the question number 70. In blast furnace, the high temperature is, okay. So when first combustion zone, fusion zone, slag zone, or reduction zone. So so which of the following which gives a high temperature means on combustion zone. The combustion zone you can heat greater than 1800 Kelvin. Okay, so this zone is which are referred as combustion zone. Okay, now the question number 71. So in Hall and Herold process, the statement based question. So read this question. So here the statement 1, the Hall's and Herold's process, aluminum can be electrolyzed easily. Okay, the both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Okay, statement 2 is the correct expression of statement 1 is the right answer. Okay, now so here for this electrolytic method, so we are adding the electrolytes, cryolite or feldspar. Okay, now so the statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. The statement 2 is the correct expression of statement 1 is the right answer. Now the question number 72. Okay, so now the question number 72. Which of the following metal is extracted by amalgamation process? Okay, so amalgamation process, which the silver. Okay, so silver can be used in the amalgamation process. Okay, now the question number 73. So commercially important ore of lead, so from which can be extracted. So lead, the commercial method which we already seen, right, which is called as galena. What is galena formula? Pb? Yes, is the right answer. Now the question number 74. Ore pitch blend is the main source of, so here the options given: thorium, cerium, radium. So the cerium and radium is called as pitch blend. Okay, So it's called as pitch blende. So the answer is cerium and I think radium. The answer is both 1 and 3 is the right answer. Now the question number 75. So during the extraction of iron, slag obtained is, okay. So we already seen this same topic, we already seen a few previous question. So here this iron calcium SiO3, which is acts as slag. So till now we completed the question number 75. Let us discuss the question number 76 to 90 on